Day 23, you keep showing up. Today we're going to build some mobility and strength by keeping this incredible consistency and discipline going. Let's just start with our nice little march. I love this as a warm-up. Let's just do a couple exercises to get warmed up and we can get right to build mobility and strength. Day 23. Not every day feels amazing, like you don't want to do this, but you keep showing up. And this is where consistency and discipline matter. And those days that I just don't feel like it. Sunday morning, here, no matter what, you might be doing it at a different time, but sometimes, certain days it's like, I'm just not feeling it. That's when it matters. Let's just twist. You tell yourself, I like this idea. When the thought in your mind, because I'll do it tomorrow. The next thought is, yuck, nope, I'll do it right now. As soon as you think, I'll do it tomorrow, nope, tomorrow's not guaranteed. Today certainly is, I'll do it today. And you just quick snap, change your thinking, nope, I'll do it right now. And you do. And it's happy days. Are you ready? Okay, I want to build strength and nobility. Nobility. Yes, I want to build nobility. Mobility. What's the best thing I know to do? We're going to do some squats. We've been doing a little bit of squat pulse. Now, if you can, go as deep as you can go. Again, don't compare yourself to me. Just do what's best for you. You can use the chair, of course. You can hold on to the chair, just seated in the chair. But let's just go to your edge and a little beyond. I can't think of an exercise that is better for building strength and mobility than just a simple squat. And the deeper we could stay down here for a moment. This deep squat hold, incredible for mobility in our ankles, knees, our hips, lower back. A few more. On this last one, let's pause down here just for a moment and just move. If you can get down here, so just going side to side, coming up on a toe, so really getting a great range of motion in our ankles. Somewhere we often lose a lot of mobility. We can shake our arms out a bit, or take our attention off the hips if they're barking, which mine are. Just move. And up. How's that? Okay, just a little shuffle just to loosen it up there. However that feels for you. Hip mobility is so critical for overall health and well-being. And it starts to go if we don't pay attention to it. Okay, your chair could come in handy here. You're gonna go on one leg. So we're building some strength and balance. Let's bundle. Just a leg circle. So start by going clockwise. You can do small circles. You can do bigger ones. The bigger, the more range of motion, more mobility in our hip. Just what feels right. And then let's reverse the circle. I can use my arms for balance. I can pray. Please let me do this. Please let me not fall on my face. And let's go to the other side. So again, starting clockwise. So mobility in our hip. Strength in the other leg. Oh yeah. We got it all going on today. And if you fall, You come right back to here. Sort of a metaphor in a way that we meditate and we practice focusing, right? The mind wanders off. Oh, we just notice it, we bring it back. We're doing something with balance. We fall, we notice, we come right back. Without a bunch of judgment and criticism of ourselves. Other way, rotate. Take a moment here. And again, remember, the chair's there if you like. Use the wall if you have to. You can come off it for a couple rotations. Terrific. Okay. We'll shake that out. Just really loosey-goosey. Maybe have some fun with this. Remember, it's just showing up. Every time we show up, really casting a vote for the person that we want to be. Especially those days it's just like, oh, I'm not feeling it. That's where we get why we're doing this every day. So we build that consistency and habit where we don't really think about it. We just do it. That's why the running shoes at the end of the bed, so the first thing you see when you wake up. Create as little friction as possible. And these small actions, they compound over time. Even these short, small workouts. We've been doing some forward lunges. Your chair can be beside you if you need. And if you just want to step back, that's perfectly fine. Again, further we go back, greater range of motion, more mobility, whatever works for you. Balance, of course. And if you can sink into a squat, into a lunge, terrific. Like my hands come into a prayer here. They can, of course, go overhead. Just find a flow. Really intentional. Get that knee all the way down. Brilliant. Find a spot to look. Help you with your balance. Really an exercise for creating range of motion. Couple more. Last one, let's hold it there just for a moment. Can you just hover a bit and notice? Just be for a moment and up. Let's again, just stretch it out a bit, loosen it up. Over here, arms, let's create a bit of mobility in the upper body. So arm circles, let's go with a bit of pace. With this, we get our heart rate up, create some heat while we build mobility. And strengthen our shoulders here. Reverse. Maybe widen. Bigger circles. And forward with those big circles. Feel it up in your traps, your neck. Oh yeah, it's like we're gonna take off. Woo, woo. Maybe a little jump there. Have some fun. Come down and just shake it all out. Ooh, beautiful. You can come to the floor, use your chair. It all works for this. We can do it standing, just a cat-cow posture where we're just arching our back like you would see a cat that's afraid. So get a nice stretch in the spine and then chest forward. So we're nice round in the spine. And just find a flow with that. Again, standing can be trickier than down on all fours where you like arch your back and then round it. Just creating that beautiful mobility in our entire back. Oh, feel that in the lower back there. Hold it for a second. Really stretch it out. You can create a little bit of flow here if you like. One more, really, really round it, round your back. Oh, and come up. We have to forget about our calves. So we can practice some balance. Your chair could be useful here. We're just gonna come up on our tippy toes. We're building strength in our calves. We're using our feet, getting on our tippy toes. Range of motion, our feet. You should even feel this in the arches of your foot. Whew. Use your balance, that's okay. Come back. We can hold it up top for a moment. Let's just create a bit of flow. Just move through it. Get up on your tippy toes a little bit more. And hold it. And yes. Legs out. Something comfortable. And we're going to just back and forth. Just nice side lunge. Creating mobility again in our hips. You stay low into a sort of a squat. Brilliant strength. We're building remarkable discipline by showing up day in and day out. And motivation, you know, it's fleeting. The act of showing up really creates lasting transformation, and that's discipline. Slow it down. Nice stretch in the inner thigh. And come up. Just a few of these to each side. Just hopefully that feels nice in the hip. Mountain pose. How good is that? So fast. Look at how much we accomplished in such a short amount of time. Now just bring all your attention, all your focus into this moment. Maybe send your attention onto yourself. Some gratitude to you. Appreciation for continuing to show up. The discipline and consistency you continue to show. We celebrate this win today. Showing up when it's not easy. Just be here for a moment. Notice your breath. Come back. Every day you show up. You're just planting a seed for your future self. Brilliant. Well done today. Go about your day. Be productive. Be positive. Be filled with joy. I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.